This land was once completely lifeless, a desert where nothing could survive. Temperatures here rise beyond human comfort, and water is almost non-existent.
No soil fertility, no moisture, no hope for farming. Even the ground itself resists life. But what if this impossible land could be transformed?
This is where the transformation begins.
Massive machines arrive to reshape the desert.
Every inch of land is carefully leveled for precision farming.
A team of engineers, including a female South Asian engineer in her 20s, design a perfect farming grid in the middle of nowhere.
A hidden network begins to take shape beneath the sand.
Water lines are installed deep below the surface.
Because in the desert, water is everything. To power this system, renewable energy is essential.
Hundreds of solar panels are installed under the blazing sun. Turning sunlight into the energy of life. Deep underground water is pulled to the surface.
A precise drip irrigation system is now ready.
For the first time, water touches this desert.
Now begins the planting of pomegranate trees.
Each pomegranate plant is placed with precision.
A desert begins its transformation into a pomegranate farm. Every drop of water is carefully controlled for pomegranate growth.
Technology ensures each pomegranate plant survives the harsh climate. Slowly, the pomegranate plants begin to grow.
Green replaces gold. Life replaces emptiness.
The first pomegranates start to appear.
Against all odds, the desert produces pomegranates.
What was once barren is now a thriving pomegranate paradise.
Carefully harvested at peak ripeness.
Freshly harvested pomegranates now enter a high-tech processing facility. Each pomegranate is carefully unloaded to maintain quality. Advanced scanners inspect every pomegranate for size, color, and perfection. Only the best pomegranates move forward in the process. Perfection is the first step toward a luxury product. Each pomegranate is precisely cut to reveal its hidden treasure. Inside, hundreds of ruby-red pomegranate seeds.
The pomegranate seeds are gently separated without damage. Every pomegranate seed is thoroughly washed for purity. Clean, fresh pomegranate seeds are now ready for transformation.
Tempering ensures a smooth, glossy chocolate finish.
Every drop is tested for perfection.
Precision control guarantees luxury-grade chocolate.
Now, the fusion begins. Fresh pomegranate seeds are coated in rich chocolate. Each pomegranate seed is evenly coated.
A perfect balance of sweetness and freshness. Transforming pomegranates into a premium delicacy. The chocolate is cooled to lock in its luxurious texture.
Only the finest pieces are selected for packaging. Each box is carefully assembled with precision. Designed for a premium experience.
Sealed and branded for global markets.
A simple pomegranate, now a luxury product.
Ready to travel across the world.
From desert farms to international markets.
Now featured in high-end stores.
A premium snack enjoyed by those who seek the finest.
From a lifeless desert to a luxury chocolate experience. This is the journey of the pomegranate.